It's Devauna, Mom.
Yes, Mum. What is it?
Did you not realize what day it is today?
What do you mean?
Not now.
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm about to entertain this.
Who is there?
Day.
Day who?
Happy Mother's Day.
Already knew.
So when you get me?
Mum, I refuse to do this.
What do you mean?
Look, you're a big woman.
And I'm a big boy. And in more places than in one, you get me?
What does that mean?
Look, Mum, I didn't get you anything. I shall not, I will not, I must not.
Get you anything?
Alright, so let me get this straight. You not gonna get me nothing?
No.
Alright. So from now on, you don't get me no gifts and I won't get you any gifts.
Really, Mum? You really remember what you got me for my birthday?
Happy birthday, Devauna.
Oh, thanks, Mum. Toothpaste.
Enjoy me, son. God, trust me. You need it. And you still didn't get the message. Okay, so from now on, me not do or get anything for you. Okay?
Fantastic, Mother Roderus. Absolutely fantastic. What's the worst that can happen?
Nah, bro. I say I got you. You ain't beating me, cuz. What the? Mum!
What? The electric gone? Maybe that's because me turn it off.
Why'd you turn off the electric?
Me not do nothing for you.
Mum! There's no hot water. It's cold.
That's because me turn it off.
What? Why?
What? Me not do nothing for you.
Unbelievable.
Devauna, you alright?
No, Mum, I'm not alright. I'm hungry and the cupboard doors won't open.
Oh, that's because...
Are you being for real? You super glued the cupboard doors.
No. I also super glue the fridge.
You are unbelievable.
What? Me not do anything for you.
Do you know what? I'm just gonna go to my room and lie down.
Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Mum! What the heck did you do to my bed?
What? Something wrong with the mattress? Well, me take it. You didn't buy it. What? Me not do anything for you.
Unbelievable. Hey, Mum. Happy Mother's Day.
We are talking about.
Oh, did you really think I wasn't going to give you a Mother's Day gift? Here you go.
How are this?
It's your Mother's Day card.
It doesn't even say mom.
Yeah, I kinda run out of space.
Let me tell you a little story. Back in the day, when I was just 8 years old, I too gave my mother a Mother's Day card.
Happy Mother's Day.
How about this?
It's your Mother's Day card.
Me can't believe you spend money upon this.
Not any money actually, it's just my time.
Well, is your time gonna help me pay the bills? Take your rubbish, girl. Go on outside and find a job. Then come back and give me the money. And maybe then, me might let you eat. Move. Where? Crazy little girl. About she try give me a card. Me feel sorry for when she have her son.
Mom! I did it!
Oh, you do it. Well done, man. Yeah, now go look after this, alright? You smart little girl. Well done.
And that's how I became the woman you know and love now.
Whoa. Let me get this straight. You're telling me you did all those jobs in just one day? My lord, you missed the whole point of the story. Go ahead, get out. Go and go find yourself a job, come back and give me the money. And maybe then, me might start do stuff for you again. I've got that. Well done, man. We finally teach you something. Yeah, you did. Alright then, see ya. Bye. Where I go with the money? I'm going to take grandma out. What? But it's Mother's Day and you're not taking her out, so ta-ra. See ya. No, wait, Vanna, wait. What? What you want him for?
Nothing, mom. Awkward. Sorry.
Right, Grandma, you ready to go?
Me ready. Me glad somebody want to take me out.
Happy Mother's Day. Oh, ridiculous.